If you want to insert page numbers in Microsoft Word, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Adding page numbers is one of the easiest ways to make your document look more professional, especially if you're working on reports, essays, business documents, or any multi-page file. It also makes your document easier to read and reference later. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Now, let's jump in. First, open your Word document and look at the top menu. Click on the Insert tab. This is where Microsoft Word keeps options for adding different elements into your document, including headers, footers, page breaks, and page numbers. Once you're in the Insert tab, find and click Page Number. After you click it, Word will show you several placement options. You can add page numbers at the top of the page, bottom of the page margins, or even at the current cursor position depending on the layout you want. For most documents, the easiest and most common choice is bottom of page. This places the page number neatly in the footer area, where it looks clean and professional. After choosing the location, Word will show you a list of styles. These styles control how the number appears on the page. You might see simple centered numbers, numbers aligned to the left or right, or more formatted styles depending on your version of Word. Select the style that matches your document design. As soon as you click a style, Word automatically inserts the page numbers throughout the document. You do not need to type each number manually, and that's what makes this feature so useful. If your document has multiple sections, or if you want the numbering to start at a specific page, you may need to adjust the formatting later in the page number settings, but for a standard document, this basic method is all you need. You can also double-check the page numbers by scrolling through your document to make sure they appear where you want them. If you need to edit them, just go back into the Insert tab and choose Page Number again to change the location or style. And that's it. You've successfully inserted page numbers in Microsoft Word. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look, and it can make a big difference in how polished your document looks. If this video helped, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.